Okay, so it's still October 26th. There's been a gap of a few hours. I started filming this thing about the ditch next to my property. Dedicated it to my old buddy Rich Lyon, who indicated an interest in ditches, and started filming, but it cut out because it turns out I had not emptied my trash on the smartphone. Then I had errands to do. So we're back at the ditch. Now here's the thing. Like I said this morning, in a quick recap, the depth of the top part of it is roughly around my belly button, and there's a culvert that empties into it. And the idea for me was, last year there was so much leaves and brush and sticks and things in here that it got kind of high at one point. So what I did was I sort of dug a canal within the ditch to see if I could improve it while it was dry, knowing that it might not be until spring that I could actually see what the difference was. And then we've had a couple heavy rainstorms where it goes up for a period of time. So like Colossus of Rhodes, I'm standing over the canal that drains the ditch, and voila, it's working great, to the point where it swept out a lot of the stuff so that I can actually see the sand that underlays a little bit of topsoil in this thing. I had raked the leaves, I'd snipped the branches, I cleared out all kinds of stuff. Now the other thing here is, so it's not like I had 50 guys here with pickaxes, although I was myself, and I had a mattock with me, which I'm sure Rich knows what a mattock is, but others may not. M-A-T-T-O-C-K. You're going to have to look this one up, folks. I might be the only adult that you guys know who's not in Louisiana State Penitentiary that knows how to use a mattock. I'm not even sure if they still have chain gangs down there. It wouldn't surprise me, but that's moving right along. Now here's the thing. It's not like this is a quarter-mile long ditch, because it's really only about 60 feet. And so here's what happens is, as I was clearing it out, I didn't survey this, but as I was clearing it out, turns out that once I get to about this distance here, all of a sudden it drops off about 3 feet and goes into my wetland down that way. So I knew that if I could just improve the flow at the top of it, then that would be enough. The water down there does not impact what's in my cellar at all in any way, although that's still my property. But so basically, you know, this is the length of it in all of its glory, and I'm happy with the job I did so far. I think I'm kind of tired, but I think a few days before it really gets bad, I might still try to go and just ditch it some more to make sure that it drains well. It's going to be a point where it gets too cold and the ground's too frozen and I can't work on it, but I just want to do the best job I can till spring. Rich, I hope this sparks the discussion here, and it was great talking with you the other day. Bye.